So like after 4 months, nagbabalik na naman yung get ready with me, girl. Pero this time, ang dami nangyari sa buhay ko, guys. So di ba nga dun sa previous video ko, I was kinukwento about the guy and bro, I really thought he was the one. Acting mukha kang ano. Pero, guys, I really thought he was the one, y'all. I really thought he was the one. So, diba, kinukwento ko pa lang sa kaibigan ko na nakausap ko siya. Tapos, over, ate. After 2 weeks, bro, I really thought we were destined to meet again because he was my almost classmate, but lumipat ako ng school, diba? Tapos nung dun lang sa bus station na yun, dun kami nagkausap and nagka-close. And ate, I really thought we were destined to meet again. But turns out, I think he was a chick boy. I don't know, never mind. I'm just thankful na lang. Let's just be thankful na lang na sinamahan niya ako nung 5 hours kami nag-aantay ng bus dun sa waiting area. But anyways, ganyan talaga yung buhay, ate. Hindi lahat ng mga nakakasalamuha mo is magiging boyfriend mo, ganun, ate. I mean, he was so gentleman. I really thought, guys. Pero, ayan, nag-pack na ako ng napkin and shit. But wait. Anyway. I don't know, balak ko lang magpag-gluta drip. Gluta drip, gusto, anti-rabies, ayaw. Over ka naman, ate. So, I'm using Eskinol. And, sobrang ganda pala talaga ng Eskinol. Kasi, tagal ko na siyang ginagamit. This is so good. I'm not hindi ako sponsored ng mga product. I just know it's good. And hindi naman siya mahapde sa face lock. Let's just be thankful, ate, na na mayroon akong kausap nung sa 5 hours na pag-wait na yun. Yun lang! Huwag ka lang magpaka-delusional. Magpaka-delusional, ate. Kasi, bro, parang out of my league naman talaga siya, eh. Kasi, ewan ko ba, turns out ganun pala talaga siya sa lahat, ate. Uy, Johnny. So, I'm getting ready to go back to my apartment dun sa Angeles because I'm a first year college now. Oh, this one is to grow your kilay. Oops. And it works too, bro. Mag-a-affiliate na talaga ako, tapos ipopromote ko to kasi it helped me, guys. Alam nyo, ginawa ko nun is tinry ko yung straight eyebrows. Tinanggal ko talaga, pinaka-straight ko talaga, ate, pinaka-shave ko. Tapos ngayon, nag-grow na siya. Pabalik kasi, ano ba naisip ko? Over. Ayun, mga guys. So, at the end of the day, no, prioritize mo na lang yung sarili mo, ate. Hindi yung, ay gagi, yung sweet niya sa akin, pinayungan niya ako. Normal lang yun sa mga lalaki, ate. Huwag kang mag-expect. Diba? Parang ginagago na lang ako ng mundo. Anyway, wala na akong primer. Pero ba't ba ako nagpa-primer? Eh, hindi naman ako. Okay mo ba? Okay. Bakit lipad ng lipad yung buhok ko? Nakakainis ha. Oh guys, tingnan nyo. Ito pa rin yung gamit kong primer. Because it's really good. And I love how they put it in that packaging, in that bottle. Because, bakit yung isa lang yung naka-medyas, ate? What? Nga lang. Ito pa rin naman yung gamit kong powder. Kasi, then we're just gonna look. Tayo na ni Catherine, chinata ko ngayon, nag-aaya siya mag-ML. Girl, I'm on my way to my dorm, bitches! Ubus na yung sa eyebrows ko. I'm gonna buy a new one. Kaya ito muna yung gamit ko for now. Tiis-tiis. Mahal kasi ng tuition ko. Tapos yung allowance ko na pangkain ko lang. Wala na akong pipay. Diba? Di na nga ako makabili ng makeup pati skincare sa sobrang hirap ng college, mga ate ko. So guys, namatay yung video kasi nag full storage. Pero yon ate, okay naman na. And malapit na mag-Christmas. September, October, November, December. So like, wala lang. Kasi, like, meron na naman akong pera. Aguinaldo, ganun. But college is no joke. So, salute to everyone who survived college. And, wala lang. Sobrang hirap. Charing. Ano pa lang ako, like, August, June 28, ay July 28 hanggang August, September. Like, 1 month and a half, and okay naman siya. Nakaka-enjoy naman. Like, pero, yun nga. Namimiss ko yung ano ko, like, old school. Like, diba, bago ako pumasok sa school na to, nag-drop ako dun sa isa because na-culture shock ata ako, like parang what? Ba't ganito sa college? Which is sa Holy Angel yun. And yeah, actually wanna go back there, but like it's gonna be really embarrassing because yeah. So disappointed. If kung sanang tinry ko lang, di ba? Like for a month to stay there, bro. Like what? Kasi ako nag-drop. Like 1 week lang ako nag-aral doon, and then umalis na ako. Lumipat ako AU. But I miss it there. Cause they are so friendly. Like sobrang friendly ng mga classmates ko. Friendly din naman yung mga classmate ko ngayon, ate. Pero yung mga sahaw kasi talaga, like, sobrang ka-humor ko sila, ate. Like, as in, they're like so effortlessly funny and shit. Like, I wanna go back, but like, I can't. Cause then it will be really embarrassing because yun, ate. Pero, sobrang plakado ng eyebrows ng babae na yan. Tell all of your friends that I'm crazy and drive you mad, that I'm such a stalker, a watcher, a psychopath. Tell me you hated and dated me just for a laugh. So why did you call me and tell me you want me back? Maniac! Maniac. Bakit ako umalis dun, no? Hindi kasi, like, siguro nainggit ako sa mga kaklase kong August pa yung pasukan, and I was like, hi, hindi ko rin nakala, miss ko na yung how, like, ever. I wanna, like, redo my life. I wanna restart. Kaso hindi eh. You can't do that. You can't do that, bro. I really wanna move there, bro. Iyak ako. Pero kung iyak, Ari. Wala na, decision mo yan eh. Ginawa mo yan, Ari. Tapos, yun nga, susumbong sana ako dun sa kakla. Sa nga, nakilala ko sa, na-meet ko sa bus station. Kaso, hindi niya ako sasamahan. Hindi niya ako sasamahan ngayon bumiyay. Sana sinabi ko, anong gagawin ko? Like, babalik ba ako sa house? Pero kasi nakakaya. Anong gagawin ko? Like, I really want his comfort right now, but, ayun. Wala, hindi ko siya mamimiyat. So, yeah. Anyway, we are strong, independent women, bro. We don't need no freaking man. Like, sagabal sa buhay. Hoy, ate, hindi. Pero, but he really is gentleman, bro. Like, sobrang. I thought it's like invisible string that na destined na pinagkita ulit kami, ate. Same pa kami ng barangay talaga. Tapos, May 14 ako, May 13 siya. Like, isn't that invisible string, y'all? Like, and his family knows my family too. Hindi namin alam yun, ate, kasi magkabarangay kami. Like, what? They know? What? Brandy, end of the day. I don't give a fuck for real. Bahala siya. Kung playboy siya. Wala akong pakialam. I'm gonna focus on myself and, like, graduate college and, yeah. I'm gonna keep thriving on my own. Cause that's life. You won't know what will happen next. So, yun. Ready na ako umalis. Alam nyo, like, last month na homesick ako. Like, umiyak ako bago umalis ng bahay. Like, bago babalik na naman doon, ganyan. Pero ngayon, like, parang unti-unti. Parang, I don't know. Konti na lang yung pagiging sad ko pag umaalis. But yeah. So, I hope y'all enjoy all my rants, and yeah, that's me. That's gonna be me in another 4 years. Bye!